friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Combat.
Hello friends, today we'll discuss about list. A list is a collection of data in series. It is like an array in C++. Now we'll see some operations. List can be represented as, here we'll take L in the square brackets. It represents for the square brackets. Now we'll assume L1, 2, 3, 4. And we can add two lists by using a plus symbol here. And now we'll take any value L1 as a list of A and B. Now we'll add L and L1 plus L. If we keep L and L1, then it will print 1, 2, 3, 4 AB. If we keep L1 plus L, it will print AB 1, 2, 3, 4. AB 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we'll see L of n is to n1 means it will like a string we teach about in the previous class. L of 1 apostrophe 3. It will print from index 1 to 2. 1 and 2 will be printed means the index of 2 is 1 and index of 3 is 2 means it will print 2 and 3 values in the list. Okay, we'll calculate now length. We'll discuss length now. Length of L. It will print the value as 4 because there are 4 values in the list. Now we'll use append. Append means adding a integer or a string to the list. L dot append of, we'll add a string D. Now if we print L means 1, 2, 3, 4 and D. Now we'll here count means it will count the how many times that the value given here will be printed. Now we'll count of 1. It will print as 1 only one because 1 is repeated only once. Now we'll see index. If you want to know where that number is present, we can use index value. L dot index of 4. It is 3. Here 1 is 0. 1, 2, 3. Means here the index is 3. Okay, now we'll insert. We'll insert means it will insert at the point I is the index and n will be the value. L dot insert of, we'll insert a value at the index 2 and the value will be R. Now it will print 1, 2, R, 3, 4 and D. At the index 2 means here 3 is there, but it will add, it will move that one and it will take the value of R at the index 2. Okay, pop means it will return the value. I index L dot pop of 3 will do. It will remove pop of 3 means 0 and 1, 2 and 3. It will remove the value of 3 because the index will use 2 because here 3 means we will get confused. Here L dot pop of 2 means it will remove or that removed value will be given, and if we take the list means 1, 2, 3, 4 and D. And now we'll use remove function. Here the difference between pop and remove is, here pop means it will take index and return the index value here, like or. Here remove means we need to give the value presented. Now we'll see example l dot remove. We'll delete 3. Okay, now the list will be 1 2 3 1 to 40. Okay, here this is, you can't see anywhere del space, it will delete l of, if you make index it will delete that index. If you did not make any index and just keep print del of l1 means it will delete all the values present in the l1. Just we will see. Now if we print l1 means it is an error, it is not defined because the l1 is deleted from the, here we define l1 but here we deleted the l1, so it will not be appear. Now we will delete and value in list index 2. Now if we see l value 1 2 and here index 2 means 0 1 and 2, 4 will be the index 2. Here that 4 is deleted. Okay, now we will use a function reverse. L dot reverse of, it will make d2 and 1. If we enter L, d2 and 1. Now we will sort the values. It will sort the values. Here we will use string and 1 and 2 are the integers, so it became the error. We will assume a value containing of all strings and all the values. Now we will sort L1. It will be A, B and R. Same like that. Now we will see some values. L1 equal to 1, 2, 5, 3, 7 and 4. Now we will sort this. Now if we see L1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. It is sorted. Okay, now we will extend means we will add, here we use L plus L1 plus L1, but here we can directly add to list by adding L dot extend of L1. If we see L value means d2 and 1 is still here L value, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 is the L1 values. Okay, L dot copy means we will copy a value. We will assume L2 equal to L dot L1 dot copy. Now if we see L2 means it is same as L1. We use copy because if we want to save the value as L2, if you change in L1 it will not change in the L2. If we like this. Now we will clear L1 dot clear. It will remove all the data from L1. Empty list. Here we use copy now because it is copied in L2. Now if you see means L2 will not be changed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone thought that if we use L1 equal to L2, L2 equal to L1, then L1 value will be empty and L2 value will be also empty. If we add any value to L1, L1 dot append of 2, then the value of L1 will be 2 and the value of L2 also will be 2, because here we use equal symbol. That is the difference between equal and the copy. Okay friends, I think I am clear with the today's list function. Tomorrow we will see with some program with simple interest. Thank you.
I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts, we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learners Cobb app.